Hi, I'm Tim from Wellington, New Zealand. This is a solar water heating experiment with solar water boiling, the water in the heat exchanger, and the steam coming out through this thin copper tube into the steam engine. Maybe someone out there can help me develop a closed circuit steam turbine system where you use a heat exchanger and run a closed loop system with condensing and vaporizing all in one, so we aren't getting steam losses out of the exhaust off the steam engine, which is out here. Thanks.